Hello, in today's video we will be talking about puppies. Yesterday I had a litter, Cocker Spaniels, and if you will have a litter, there's a few things that we will need to have a look at just to make sure there's none of them will die or none of them will have a problem. Okay, so I will show you that right away.
Here we have the three puppies. They're just beautiful, and as you can see, they're well fed. If you take the skin and you pull it, it comes back down nicely. So that's a good sign that they're well fed. Okay. If the skin stay up, it means they're lacking food. Okay. So something very, very important when they're just born, make sure there's not one that's apart. If it's apart, it's maybe that when he's born, he didn't have the time to come to the mother or something. And then eventually the mother will reject him or her. So in that case, you take the puppy and you put him on the teat. Okay, it's very important. If not, he will die. The mother as well. Well, obviously she had a bit of a hard time, obviously. Yeah? So make sure you give her food and drink next to the puppies. That way she doesn't have to move and feed herself. We can see that the puppies are one on top of each other. This is to regulate the heat. That newborn like that, it's just normal. Okay. If you're in summer, there's no problem. But if you're in winter, I recommend you place them next to a radiator or chimney, something like this. Source of heat. Okay, so it's always nice. Okay, I don't know if you know it, but puppies when they're born, they got the ears closed and the eyes closed as well. From 10 days, then they will start to open. Bit by bit, you will see they will. It will come right. Okay, so don't panic if you see that. And I have the puppies like that, obviously. There's no problem because they stay close to the mother. But once they will have the eyes that open up, they will tend to go a bit all over the place. So in that case, what I do, I take a cardboard box, and I leave them inside. So the mother can go in and out, but the puppies actually they will stay in, which is better. Like that, they won't mess around. Sometimes they can be in our feet, and that prevent a lot of problems. Okay, so when they grow up a little bit, take a bit more care. Okay.
That's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video and that you've learned a few things. As I say, just be very careful the first 2 days. Make sure there's not one on the side, okay? Because it's very important that it takes the mother's milk, okay? If you have to give them some milk in powder, okay, try it. But I had a lot of problems with that, and I had a lot of death with it. So it's always best to have the mother's milk. It really is the best. The mother will do everything anyway. But just make sure if there's one apart on the teeth, you put them immediately. Okay? Pues I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Ciao.